Imagine having a personal AI assistant that can do more than just answer your questions. Introducing HiDock H1, the smart headset that has some amazing features. It can transcribe your phone calls into text, so you can review them later or share them with others. It can be your best ally in meetings, as it not only records everything that is said, but also provides a concise summary of the key points. The HiDock H1 can be used as a conversational headset, allowing you to chat with your friends, family, or colleagues hands-free. HiDock H1 is the ultimate device for your communication needs. If you are looking for a portable and convenient dryer, you should check out the Arcwares Mini Dryer. This compact device can dry your clothes, shoes, bedding, and more in a matter of minutes. The creators of the Arcwares Mini Dryer designed it to be useful in many different situations, such as traveling, camping, or living in small spaces. It is easy to use, energy efficient, and safe. The Arcwares Mini Dryer is the perfect solution for your drying dilemmas. Drones are becoming more and more popular, and the DJI Mini Pro 3 is one of the coolest ones on the market. This little drone weighs less than 249 grams and is compact enough to fit in a jacket pocket. But don't let its size fool you. The DJI Mini Pro 3 can record stunning 4K video at 60 FPS and can fly for up to 34 minutes with the basic battery and up to 47 minutes with the upgraded one. The DJI Mini Pro 3 also features the Apex 4.0 system, which detects obstacles in real time and helps you avoid them. Plus, with recording options like time-lapse and vertical format, you can create memorable videos to surprise your friends. The DJI Mini Pro 3 is the ultimate drone for your adventures. Do you love exploring the underwater world? Then you will love the LEFEET S1, the underwater scooter that lets you glide through the water with ease. The LEFEET S1 is a powerful and affordable device that we found on a popular Chinese website. It can reach speeds of up to 6 km per hour and can dive up to 40 meters deep. With a full charge, the LEFEET S1 can last for up to an hour, giving you plenty of time to enjoy the marine life. The LEFEET S1 is also easy to operate, as you can control it with one hand or attach it to your diving equipment. The LEFEET S1 is the ultimate gadget for your underwater adventures. If you are a fan of action cameras, you will love the ZPIN 360, the device that lets you spin your camera a full 360 degrees. The ZPIN 360 is a unique and innovative gadget that claims to have considered aerodynamics to ensure sharp pictures. It works well with cameras that can film at 240 frames per second or in 8 times slow motion. It also includes a mount for your smartphone, so you can see what your camera is capturing. The ZPIN 360 is a fun and exciting way to create amazing videos with your action camera. Just be careful not to spin your new iPhone 15 too fast, as it might make you dizzy. Who doesn't love snacking? According to a recent survey, 85% of people from 12 different countries enjoy at least one snack daily just for the fun of it. If you are one of them, you will love Snagger, the gadget that makes snacking more convenient and enjoyable. Snagger is a clever device that lets you eat your snacks without getting your hands dirty. It can hold around 100 grams of snacks like peanuts, and it has a nifty dispenser that lets you send those snacks right into your mouth. The creators of Snagger believe that this is a snacking revolution, as it allows you to snack anytime, anywhere, and without any hassle. Snagger is the ultimate gadget for snack lovers. Remember the old computer mouse that was bulky, boring, and barely functional? Well, forget about it, because the DOCA mouse is here to change the game. The DOCA mouse is a sleek and smart device that offers a 5-inch AMOLED touchscreen, up to 56 hours on a single charge, a weight of 113 grams, and a user-friendly software that allows you to easily drag and drop your shortcuts, tools, and widgets from popular programs onto the screen. The DOCA mouse is more than just a mouse, it is a mini computer that enhances your productivity and creativity. The DOCA mouse is the future of computing. Whether you are working, gaming, or relaxing, you need a cooling system to keep you comfortable and refreshed. That's why you need the Funsnap Neck Fan, the gadget that cools you down wherever you go. The Funsnap Neck Fan is a lightweight and portable device that you can wear around your neck. It has two powerful fans that can rotate 360 degrees and adjust to your preferred angle. It also has 3 speed modes and a battery life of up to 10 hours. The Funsnap Neck Fan is easy to use, as you can control it with a touch of a button. The Funsnap Neck Fan is the perfect gadget for hot days and nights. Are you fascinated by the wonders of the sky? Do you want to witness the total solar eclipse happening on the 8th of April 2024? Then you need the Hestia Smart Telescope, the gadget that turns your smartphone into a telescope. The Hestia Smart Telescope is a simple and smart device that attaches to your smartphone and allows you to observe eclipses, the moon, and other astronomical wonders. It also has a built-in app that guides you through the sky and provides you with information and tips. The Hestia Smart Telescope is the perfect gadget for astronomy enthusiasts and beginners alike. Forget everything you know about computer mice, because the Clip Mouse is here to revolutionize the way you use your mouse. The Clip Mouse is a truly unique device that has no laser, no scroll wheel, and only one button. Instead, it has an accelerometer that detects your hand movements and translates them into cursor movements. The Clip Mouse is also incredibly compact, resembling a fashionable accessory that you can clip to any surface, such as your desk, your laptop, or even your clothes. You can also use it in midair, as you can gesture with your hand to control your computer. The Clip Mouse is a versatile and fun device that lets you experience a whole new level of mouse interaction. The Clip Mouse is the ultimate gadget for mouse lovers. Do you remember the old SSDs that were bulky, heavy, and expensive? Well, you won't believe how far they have come. Meet the SHARGE Disk, the smallest and lightest SSD on the market. The SHARGE Disk is so tiny that it fits on a keychain, as it is roughly the size of 2 bottle caps. But don't let its size fool you. The SHARGE Disk is a powerful and reliable device that can store up to 1 terabyte of data and transfer it at blazing speeds. The SHARGE Disk is also compatible with any device that has a USB port, such as laptops, tablets, smartphones, and TVs. The SHARGE Disk is the perfect gadget for your storage needs. If you need reading glasses, you know how inconvenient it can be to carry them around and remember to use them. You have to bring a case, which can be bulky and cumbersome, and you have to keep track of where you put them, which can be frustrating. But what if there was a better way? Introducing ThinOptics, the reading glasses that attach to your keychain. ThinOptics are folding glasses that fit in a carrying case that is the size of a credit card. The case can be easily attached to your keychain, so you always have your glasses with you. The glasses have no temples, instead they use the adjustable flex grip technology for the bridge, which ensures a comfortable and secure fit. ThinOptics are the ultimate gadget for reading glasses users. If you love watching movies, you will love the Yaber Pico T1, the mini projector that lets you enjoy the big screen anywhere. The Yaber Pico T1 is a compact and portable device that weighs only 150 grams and fits in your pocket. But don't underestimate its performance. The Yaber Pico T1 can project a stunning image of up to 120 inches, with a resolution of 1080p and a brightness of 200 lumens. The Yaber Pico T1 also has a built-in speaker, a battery life of up to 2 hours, and a wireless connection that lets you stream content from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. The Yaber Pico T1 is the ultimate gadget for movie lovers. If you care about the quality of the air you breathe, you will love the Briiv Pro, the eco-friendly air purifier that uses natural materials to clean the air. The Briiv Pro is a smart and stylish device that uses NASA technology to purify the air using moss, carbon, coconut, and sheep's wool. These materials are biodegradable, renewable, and effective, as they can filter out dust, pollen, bacteria, viruses, and odors. The Briiv Pro also has a smart app that lets you monitor and control the device, as well as a LED light that changes color according to the air quality. The Briiv Pro is the perfect gadget for your health and well-being. How many times have you wasted time and energy trying to remember or reset your passwords for different sites and apps? How many times have you compromised your security by using the same or weak passwords for multiple accounts? If you are tired of these problems, you need the Atlancube Password Keeper, the gadget that saves and lets you use your passwords via Bluetooth. The Atlancube Password Keeper is a small and sleek device that you can attach to your keychain. It can store up to 100 passwords and logins, and it can automatically fill them in for you when you connect it to your device. The Atlancube Password Keeper is also secure, as it uses encryption and biometric authentication to protect your data. The Atlancube Password Keeper is the ultimate gadget for your online convenience and safety.